Welcome to studentsmilestone.com. This is one unique website, sir. What we have done in this website? First, what we have done, we have seen the results of 10th class last year. It was not very good. People are not able to answer the questions. Reason, their basics are very poor. Basics level, sir. They are not able to understand what is the basic. The question was given, write any two-digit number and find LCM and HCF. The question itself is something different. Okay, people are not understood what is the question. మామూలుగా జనరల్గా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఇస్తారు, ఫైండ్ ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ 25 and 35, then everybody started doing. But what he said, you write the question, you write the answer. What is the government says? You create the problem, you solve the problem. This is what government says. అంటే ముందరే కాలేదు సార్, ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. సో వాట్ ఐ థాట్ యాజ్ ఏ లెక్చరర్, మ్యాథ్స్ లెక్చరర్, ఐ ఫైండ్ let us why don't we have a video explanation of each and every problem. That is the idea of this website, sir. So what I have done, each chapter, each problem, detailed explanation. What is the advantage? Once you listen 2-3 times, you will understand your basics. What is LCM, HCF, and in this 10th class, what happened? The chapters have become very, very different. It is not there in the old syllabus. One is probability, trigonometry is there, but it is totally different from last year, sir. Okay, and coordinate geometry, then statistics, everything has been changed. Then what is how to prepare? And the questions are not straightforward. He is asking whether he is right or wrong. Questions arise now, sir, whether Raju is right or not. Raju has found the answer 3 and 5. Whether he is right or wrong, justify, explain. Like these questions are being given. Why? Because they want the students should become individual. Definitely they should prepare very good for examination. And 10th class, as you know very well, very, very important place, sir. Means you are at the crossroads. Once you go to intermediate, you are going to prepare for IIT exams, BITSAT exam, MIT exam, and also so many AIEEE examination. For that, you should have strong foundation. Trigonometry baga ravali, sir. Statistics baga ravali. Then probability ravali. Quadratic equations ravali. Real numbers ravali. Ivanni ravali, sir. How to know, how to prepare, how to solve. Then if you take a workbook, you will not understand the steps. How he has done, you may not be able to understand. To solve all the problems, this website has done one unique experiment. What is that? Each problem, exercise wise problem, a problem explain cheskunte ellam. How the steps have come? Okay, our steps anni ela vachayo raskunte ellam. Then video chesam. Aa video meer vinte automatically అర్థం అవుతుంది. One more advantage. For example, trigonometry topic undi, basics కావాలి. డైరెక్ట్గా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ టాపిక్ వెళ్తారు, ఆ టాపిక్లో ఉన్న బేసిక్స్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తారు, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. అలాగే ఆ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ సెకండ్లో థర్డ్లో మీకు హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చారు, ఆ ప్రాబ్లం క్లిక్ చేస్తారు, ప్రాబ్లం సొల్యూషన్ ఉంటుంది, మీరు రాసుకుంటారు, కాపీ చేసుకుంటారు, నేర్చుకుంటారు. యు లెర్న్, యు డూ, యు అండర్స్టాండ్. దీస్ 3 are very, very important. Why I am saying all this? Once you go to intermediate, nobody will give you, sir. You have to learn yourself. Once you go for IIT competition examination, you should know this. IIT competition exam lo నేర్చుకోవడం ఉంటుంది, sir. You should learn. They will not give you the problem directly. So like this, that's why government said continuous comprehensive evaluation. Means what? You will be, if last year ichina question papers తీసుకుని prepared, no sir, that concept is gone. Last year what question paper has given, he is not going to give. So it is everything you have to do yourself. Do it yourself, learn yourself, understand yourself, prepare yourself. This is what I want to tell you. So ఇది దీనివల్ల లాభం ఏమిటి? మీరు నేర్చుకుంటారు, ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది, నేర్చుకుంటారు, ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. This is what. Now what I have done some sample problems. You can see the sample problems. Then once you understand that sample problem, you find this DVD is very helpful. Definitely I am telling you, this will be 200% helpful for you. Don't miss this DVD, sir. Don't miss. Nobody will give you like this any DVD, sir. మీకు ఎవరు ఇయ్యారు కదా కంప్లీట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్లో. దీనివల్ల లాభం ఏంటంటే ఎప్పుడైనా లెక్కలు చూసుకోవచ్చు. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఫౌండేషన్ పెరుగుతుంది, సార్. రియల్ నెంబర్స్ ఫౌండేషన్ పెరుగుతుంది, ప్రాబబిలిటీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అర్థం అవుతాయి, అనలిటికల్ జియోమెట్రీ ఫౌండేషన్ ఉంటుంది, అలాగే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఈ టాపిక్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, సార్. ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి వెళ్ళగానే ఈ చాప్టర్స్ అన్ని అండర్స్టాండ్, చాప్టర్ వైజ్ ఉండకపోయినా అండర్స్టాండింగ్లో ఉంటాయి. వన్స్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్, దెన్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సెయింగ్ ఇస్, ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ నెంబర్. యూ కెన్ కాల్ దిస్ నెంబర్ 8977678910, 678-910 and 8977. This is a number. You call this. Okay, once you call this, my executive ద్వారా గానీ, పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్ ద్వారా గానీ, either executive, post office or courier, Like this it will come. Then you play and listen and do the problems. Get your knowledge improved. Thank you very much. In 10th class, all the chapters are very important, and particularly polynomial. Last two exams, that is March and May exam, he has given the problems very trickish. Okay, the concept you have to understand each and every problem. Particularly we should know zeros of the polynomial. What is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial? All this I have explained in our main DVD clearly. Now let us understand what is the meaning of zero of the polynomial. For example, if you take ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is 0, sum of the zeros is what, sir? Minus b by a, and product of the zeros is c by a. These are formulas. Sum of the zeros, product of the zeros. So what is the sum of the zeros? Minus b by a. In other words, what we'll say? X coefficient by x square coefficient, and here constant by x square coefficient. What is that? X coefficient by x square coefficient, constant by x square coefficient. How to use this in a formula? Let us see exercise 3.3. Now what is the first problem? X square minus x minus 2x minus a. Now first what we have to do? Comparison. Ax square plus bx plus c. Means x square coefficient is a. Here what is x square coefficient? If nothing is there, you have to take a. So what is the a value? 1. Now what is x coefficient? Minus 2, that is b. And what is the constant? Minus a. Means I am comparing with the ax square plus bx plus c. Then x square coefficient is 1 and x coefficient is minus 2, constant is minus a. Now what that is asking? Sum of the zeros. What is the formula? Minus b by a. What is the b value? Minus 2. Minus of minus 2. By what is the a value? 1. So what will happen? 2 by 1. What is that? 2 by 1? 2. Now I got sum of the zeros. Then what is the product of the zeros? What is the product of the zeros? C value. What is the C value? Minus 8 by 1. What is that it says? Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship. So first I am verifying the relationship. So I am using the formula a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus a. So I got the sum of the zeros is 2 and product of the zeros is minus a. Now we have to solve this equation. Now we have to solve the equation. How to solve this equation? X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Factorization. 4 into 2. This is very important. Now what is here? Sign is what, sir? Minus. Here also minus. Whenever you got a 2 minus signs like this, what we have to do? In the factors, the bigger one will have a minus sign. When you have 2 minus sign, put a for a bigger factor minus sign, for smaller one plus sign. So what will happen? X square minus 4x plus 2x plus a minus 8 is equal to 0. Common is what, sir? X minus 4. Again, what is the common? 2. I have taken from this x common, from this I have taken 2 common. So what will happen? X into x minus 4 plus 2. Means what? Like this, each problem I have explained, sir. Okay, every problem I have explained. So what I got? X into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4. So now again what is the common I will take? What is the common I can take? X minus 4 common. Again it becomes what, sir? X plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 2. Now what are the zeros I got? 4 minus 2. What do you mean by sum of the zeros? Okay, you add 4 minus 2, how much? 2. And what is the product of the zeros? 4 into minus 2. How much we get? Minus 8. Now, I have taken one problem. I explained detailedly. Like this, each and every problem I am explaining. So what will happen? It will be very easy for you. Now, you can listen the problem 2-3 times. You can start doing yourself. Then you will understand the method. Then you will do. Because once you are now you are in 10th class, you are going for writing a 8 examination, 8 triple examination. So many competitive exams you are going to write in future. Your intermediate will be very, very crucial. This concept will not be there in intermediate. Directly your lecturers will tell you how to do it. Factorization. This is very, very important chapter in intermediate, sir. You should know this factorization perfectly. If you got a minus sign here, when you have to put a for bigger factor, minus sign, smaller factor. If you remember like this, so each and every problem I explained. So what will happen? You don't need to go to anybody. Then you listen this DVD 2-3 times. Start doing it. Now what I have done? Sum of the zeros. How much I got? 2. Product of the zeros minus 8. Already I have proved this. What is that I have proved? The sum of the zeros as per the formula minus b by a. I got 2 only. And the product of the zeros as per the formula again I got 8. Both are verified. What is important here? The concept has to be understood. The basics are very, very important, sir. Now factorization is there. Then sum of the zeros we have used. Then the product of the zeros we have done. And each and every problem. Now what I have done? Like this. In each and every chapter, each and every exercise, each and every bit, I have solved like this. Then what will happen? It is very, very easy. If your school is giving you homework, if they are asking to do the problems like this, you can just play the DVD or in your system or in your DVD player and you can complete the solutions very easily. So how to get this DVD? I'll give the number which you have to call. Let us see number 8977678910. 678910. 8977678910. Like this. Okay, if you call this number, our executive or postage, courier, personally, our executive will also will come. Okay, if you call this number, automatically you will get our DVD. Okay, now let us see one more problem to make you understand very easily. Let us see one more problem. Now, in the progressions, okay, I am taking one more point. The progression. This is also very, very important chapter, sir. You know about this chapter in intermediate and in higher class also. Progressions is also very, very important. Now, what he says, which term of 21, 18, 15, so on and so forth is minus 81. Now, this is a topic which is very, very important in the series. Now, what we have to start? A is equal to 21. Common difference, second term, T2 minus T1. What I have done? T2 minus T1. So, 18 minus 21 is equal to minus 3. So what I have done? First term is 21, second term is what's the common difference? So T2 minus T1 minus 3. Now what is the AN formula? I am writing the formula n minus 1 into D given which term is AS? So AN is minus 81. Now AN is given, sir, minus 81. So minus 81 is equal to what is A value? 21. Plus I do not know n value. Then D is how much we got? Minus 3. Bring 21 this side. So what will happen? Minus 81 minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So both are minus, put a minus sign, add 102 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now this minus sign will get cancelled. Now 102 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. Means what? I have taken the sequence, taken the A is the first term, D is what, sir? Second term minus third first term. So how much I got? Minus 3. Means I am writing like this. So like this I have done each problem, sir. So you can understand very easily. D value has come. Now I am writing the formula. What is the AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into 2. And what is the given AN, sir? Which term? So AN is minus 81. Put AN value in this formula. A value I have put n minus 1 and we do not know n minus 1. D value minus 3. Bring 21 this side. Like this I have explained. 21, bring this side. What will happen? It becomes minus 21. Minus 81 minus 21 minus 102. So cancel minus both the sides. Here also minus, here also minus. Minus minus will get cancelled. 102 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 table. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 4s are. So 34 is equal to n minus 1. Now bring minus 1 this side again. So 34 plus 1 is equal to n. So what is n value? 35. Now which term is becoming minus 81? 35. Now one more question is there. Which term will become 0? What is that? Next one, what is the problem? Again same problem. Which term is 0? This means what, sir? An is equal to 0. Same problem continuation. Which term? Now which term is minus 81 is one question. Which term is 0? So I will put an is equal to 0. 0 is equal to, what is the a value? 21 plus n minus 1 into d value is what, sir? Minus 3. Bring 21 this side. So it becomes minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So 21 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. Now 3 will go how many times? 7 times. So 7 is equal to n minus 1. Bring again minus 1 this side. 7 minus 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So what is n? Like this. You understood how I explained? Very clearly, step by step. Each step I am writing and explaining. So what I have done, after writing this formula, I brought 21 this side. Minus is getting divided by 3. 7 means what? You will understand what I am teaching. Okay, it is like a school environment, but like whatever a teacher says, that's why I am explaining. Okay, so each step. Now once you listen 2-3 times, then you will understand very easily. N term is what, sir? N is what? 8. Now let us see whether we are right or wrong. So 21, 18, 15. Now it is decreasing by 3, sir. What will happen? 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. First one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What happened? 8 term has become 0. So my answer is right. So what I have done is right. So here, which term is becoming 0? Means a and 0. Like this I am explaining, sir. Each problem. Now once you play this DVD, you can understand. You can listen carefully how I have written the steps. And when I am writing the steps, I am writing each and every step, sir. So, it a cancellation. I have shown you how to cancel. Then after bringing, how to bring the 1 this side. Minus 1 is become 7 plus 1. Means each and every problem, sir. Coefficients are important. Analytical geometry important. Trigonometry is important. Rational numbers are important. Solution, quadratic equations are important for 10th class, sir, for intermediate. Once you are perfect in these chapters, your AIEEE, IIT exams will be very, very easy. Those who want to go for IIT classes. So you should know these topics, sir. Coefficients are important. Sequence and series is now one examination in BITSAT. In BITSAT means Birla Institute of Technology. That is very, very important. If you want to go for this. Nowadays, every student is going for BITSAT. They are going for AIEEE. They are going for Manipur Institute of Technology. That is also very famous institute, sir. Now everybody is going. We should know the sequence and series. It may not be there in intermediate, but it will be there in that competitive exam. Then how to learn? You should learn now. For example, you want to learn these questions again. Once you have this DVD, immediately you can play this DVD again and listen completely. 10th class syllabus you can revise. You play one day, complete you get your syllabus revision, sir. Like this. That's why this DVD is very, very important. Again, I have given this importance is explanation. Once you know, then definitely. Tomorrow you don't need to go for sequence and series tuition, sir. Whatever sequence series, it is there. So once you know, this BITSAT, MIT, this sequence and series, AIEEE, IIT exams. So like this. So once you get your DVD, you are perfect with mathematics, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.